is just gone 1:20 in the afternoon. It is Saturday, the 4th of February 2023. We're here at a rather busy Addington Village interchange. Just got off of my 1:30 there. And today's event, as you will know if you watched the video yesterday, today's event is going to be a wedding today. We've got the first wedding of the year at Addington, and first wedding this year in total for me. I'm attending, I've got my keys, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try and include two segments of ringing, because the way that weddings Addington work, and in a lot of other places, is you have a before section and an after section. So what happens is, if you have a wedding, in this case at 2 o'clock, you'll meet, say, 20 minutes before the wedding is meant to start, ring for 20 minutes until the bride arrives, hopefully on time, stop, have the wedding, and then once the wedding's over, as the couple march down the aisle, that's when you start again, ready for them to exit out the door, and then you ring for another 15-20 minutes. So that's what we do at Addington most of the time, and that's what I'm going to try and capture for you today. Right, that was good, that was a success. I only managed to get one recording because there was a few. We went on for a bit longer in the before bit, but we didn't end up stopping. We just kept going until we had to stop. So there was no opportunity to begin recording. But I got the last bit of ringing. We did a few goes of playing on 5, and also ringing the treble and tenor down. We don't need to ring down the 2, 3, 4, 5 because they'll be used tomorrow. So those get left up at backstroke, and then treble and tenor get rung down. So hope you enjoyed that video of today's wedding at Addington. But from here in Addington, Salty Train Spotter signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.